Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, if you like that late summer weather that is traditionally seen around late August, early September, we got it for you this October. More of the same next couple of days. If you like today, you're going to love tomorrow and Friday. Temperatures topping out in the lower 90s, a few passing showers. That's about it. And of course, as the weekend gets here, rain chances going up. We'll talk a little bit more about that. Plus the tropics, something going on we'll have to keep an eye on. Here's a 12-hour Doppler loop here. You can see most of the activity widely scattered in nature during the course of the late morning, early afternoon heating. That's when things get cooking up along the coast, and then some of that activity building inland during the course of the afternoon. I think we see much the same tomorrow and also Friday as well. So here's the big picture as we take a look at the infrared satellite imagery. I thought we'd see a little bit more moisture from this little spot getting into Louisiana, but the ridge of high pressure that's dominating right now is really shunting that down into the Gulf of Mexico. So rain chances 20% or less for tomorrow and Friday. Elsewhere in the tropics, got a powerful Hurricane Sergio out here in the Pacific. It's going to go to a Category 4, 140-mile-an-hour storm next couple of cycles. Eventually, this may get caught up in this big upper trough out here in the Pacific and may draw more moisture toward the southwest, but that would be about 10 days down the road, give or take a few days. Meanwhile, in the Atlantic Basin, our Leslie, that's been meandering out here for the better part of a week, finally getting its act together. It's a hurricane. It's got a couple of nice looking bands here and starting to move north. It's going to do that for a couple of days and then interact the westerlies. That means it's going to get pushed off to the east and weaken with time, not affecting any land masses, but producing pretty good swells affecting Bermuda, East Coast, and portions of the Caribbean. Then farther to the south in the Western Caribbean, tropical disturbance here, nothing organized at all, and you can see the way the upper level winds are blowing almost from west to east, so this is a very hostile environment for anything to develop. But as the system drifts slowly to the north and west, it could begin to get into a little bit more favorable environment for some development. So still just a 30% chance of developing. So that's not too bad. We'll keep it in the yellow category rather than the orange category. Then what's going to happen after that? So let's take a look. First off, we'll start off with the European model here, and we'll let it go through the cycle through Sunday. It's got to kind of catch up as it preloads the stuff. Broad area of low pressure here comes Sunday, late in the weekend, and then we go into next week. Then we have this area of broad low pressure out in the Gulf of Mexico, but nothing organized. But this looks more like the GFS model that we showed you yesterday, concentrating most of the moisture across the Gulf, and guess what, into our part of the world. So rain chances may go up, and lots of deep tropical moisture over toward the Bahamas as well. So a wet scenario at the very least for us. We'll have to keep an eye on all the way down through the Bay of Campeche for possible developments. Now, this is the GFS model a little bit later on, showing the same thing through Sunday, broad low pressure by the Yucatan, then getting into the Gulf of Mexico, and that tropical moisture streaming northward as we get into a week from today, going into next Thursday as well. And if you look at the GFS model, it wants to keep something down toward the Bay of Campeche, which would not be unusual for this time of year. But the GFS also offers a front, which it's been doing, a front close by a week from this weekend. But the European model is saying, no way, Jose, so we're just going to have to wait on that. Again, that front may take a while before it gets here. Also, a notorious day in Louisiana hurricane history. Hurricane Lily and Hilda both making landfall on October 3rd. Lily in 2002 made landfall as a Cat 1 with 90-mile-per-hour winds. But just before that, day before, 145-mile-an-hour winds. So we were lucky that storm weakened as it moved inland, but it was a mess 14 years ago on this date, 16 years ago on this date back in 2002, and then Hilda in 1964 making landfall as a Cat 3 in St. Mary Parish. Check out the posts on Twitter and Facebook I made today. Got more information on both of those storms. Near term, nice and quiet through tomorrow morning, maybe a little light fog then in the afternoon, just a few widely scattered showers, and we'll repeat the same scenario going into Friday. So another night filled filled with those mosquitoes. They haven't had much of a break so far this summer after a wet September especially. 91 the high tomorrow, so more summer as we get deeper into fall. Rain chances no higher than about, say, 20% for tomorrow. And as we move into the next 5 days, summer continues. Rain chances, though, go up this weekend, 40-50% for Sunday, Saturday, respectively. And then going into next week, we could see a spike in those rain chances with tropical moisture Wednesday, Thursday of next week. So something to watch in the Caribbean, but nothing overly concerning at this point. Lots of shear going on in the atmosphere, and that could be the forebearer of an El Nino that will be coming this way.
All right, thanks, Rob.